Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into TT Rockstar student account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in ttrockstars.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top right corner. Again, click on login option. Here you can select to log in as a school, family and a tutor. Now click on school option. Then click on student option. Here you'll have to enter your school name or postcode. Click on the name of the school. Here you'll have to enter your username associated with your account. And you can choose to enter your password or PIN number. Now enter your password. Then click on login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into TT Rockstar student account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.